Hi everybody, my name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
My name is Rhys Barber. I'm the other audiologist here at Audiology Associates. So this is my patient. Welcome to day 16 of Waxvent. I forgot to say that again. So this is my patient. You can see nicely oiled, this one, in fairness. Nice consistency as well. Not too soft, not too hard. That kind of perfect Goldilocks wax consistency. Nice big chunky plugs though coming out on this side.
Oh, they're literally ideal, those ones.
Oh, they're perfect. Yeah, really good. Little tiny bit of tidying up on here. Let's just take that.
Look at that.
That's nice, isn't it?
Oh, a little bit of keratin.
A little bit of keratin. So I've switched it down now to the fine end so we minimise any risk of clarinetting. Drop and, what do we call this?
Drop and drag.
Drag and drop. Drop and drag?
Drop and drag.
Drop and drag. There you go. So just dropping it over the top of the skin there, dragging it backwards just so we don't end up with a big peel that goes all the way down to your neck. It's just yeah, it's good coming out. But it looks lovely and healthy. The eardrum looks better. And patient hearing so much better now after that's gone. This is the other ear canal. So similar, but not quite as blocked up.
You can see the little gap.
You got it.
Of the top.
You got it right on the top. So I'm hoping this is going to, weird consistency. I expected that to be a lot harder than it was.
Chewing gum sort of consistency, this one.
You got it. That very kind of thick, much softer type of consistency on this one.
Oh, it's coming away all right though.
That's a nice plug coming away there. There we go.
Oof.
Yeah, that's a good size plug. You see that line of keratin there underneath it going all the way down. Oh, just a tiny bit just to take away now. There we go. You can see just suctioning some of these smaller bits in. There we go. So eardrum looking lovely. That's a perfect looking eardrum as well. Lovely and shiny.
Ideal earwax.
It's brilliant earwax.
In and out.
Bit of 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to go with that one. Oh, ambulance.
Oh, sirens. 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. Yeah.
I go with 2 centimeters that one. So you got yours coming up next, haven't we?
Yes. Oh, I've got kind of the opposite here. Well, I wouldn't say opposite, but really, really soft. Again, a lot of keratin in this one. Ear canal's not the widest. We've got the standard size sonotube on here, and you can see we're already kind of taking up most of the ear canal space.
Yeah.
You can see that kind of stretch of skin that's going underneath this as well. We're using a similar technique, so we're getting a grip, a little bit of a wiggle, just in a hope that it's going to bring everything out with it. So we got a deeper section. Oh, look at that. You could see all that skin in that with the suction. As we got near the plug, that just kind of, we mentioned on yesterday's video, I believe. Yeah. And this is what normally happens with thin pieces of skin. You try to get grips on the wax, and those softer, thinner pieces just kind of go, and it just kind of, collects itself.
They literally leap up in front of the suction, don't they?
Yeah. Not so bad in this case because I know it didn't clarinet. Luckily, it didn't whistle at all, which is good because sometimes you get these little tiny pieces that will just kind of make its way in, and it just kind of flaps around in the tube, and it's horrible. It's a horrible noise.
It's coming away. Look how long that is, though. I think that was almost a ribbon. It looked like then.
Yeah, there's a little bit that's just kind of broken off as well. There you go. I think that's the last piece.
That's a long wax plug. That one.
Yeah, this patient could feel this in the ear as well. They actually felt it. Well, they just knew that it was there. They said, oh, there's a bit of pressure building up with the plug, understandably, because it's quite a large piece of wax.
God, that was a big piece of wax, wasn't it?
So that pretty much was going the whole length of the ear canal. There you go. You can kind of see there's a tiny bit of staining just touching the front of the eardrum there.
Come away well, though.
Yeah. So remainder, those little bits of staining you could see there will just work its way out in the next sort of showers or bath the patient has, after continued use of olive oil as well. About once a month we'd normally suggest. I think this is yours now. I saw I missed the measurements again. 1.25 inches. Okay.
About 3 centimeters, I think. So I remember. Yeah, this one's mine. Now this one looks relatively straightforward. It's deep, a lot of oil in there. Look at that. Whoosh, out that comes. Now, the rule of thumb with this, although you could see a lot of the eardrum there, this would have really been causing quite a few issues as far as the patient's hearing was concerned, because it was resting against that pars tensor, that bottom part of the eardrum there. I'm sort of sandwiched between the pars tensor and the canal wall. So you can really see that it just needed to come away. But look at the other side. Nice big dent, fingers or cotton buds, one of those two, I'd imagine that is.
You can see a lot of dry skin at the entrance there as well on the pinner. It's,
So I think we're going to end up with a very dry, you can see as we try to peel this dry, hard layer on here. So Jobson horn's going to come in.
Oh, go on.
If we can just get over the top. I don't think I can get it far enough back without pushing it further in. So I'm going to cleave off this front section just to give me a bit more. You can see how it scoops around and into the bowl there. There we go. I've tried to drop back so you can see it, but there's quite dense little hairs there, fine hairs at the entrance to the canal.
It's quite satisfying when that happens.
It is.
When you can't really see it, but then as you're scooping it around, you see this little piece appear.
You've got it.
Like, oh, it's actually bigger than what I thought it was going to be.
It was quite hard though. I couldn't get the Jobson horn into it. It just wouldn't pick up with the Jobson horn. No. So I had to get the suction tube on it. Don't forget, guys, if you do enjoy the videos, you can like, heart, share, follow, subscribe. And if you do have problems with your ears, you can always book yourself an appointment with myself, the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. Check out the link tree in the description on all the social media channels. You will get a link then to our website. You can book yourself an appointment to come and see one of us. There you go. That's easy enough. So deep, hard section, this one. Ideally, I want to bring this forwards.
The whole thing is moving.
Yeah.
You can just kind of see it shimmering a little bit, like right on the edges.
You got it.
It's just whether you can get that strong enough grip.
That's it. It's trying to find the spot on there. We'll just hold on long enough. I think we've managed to just about bring it forwards enough. Basically, I want to bring it forwards because we can use tools that deep. We can go in that little bit deep because it's not right against the eardrum, but it's more comfortable for the patient if you can bring it more to the cartilaginous portion of the ear canal. There's a bit more give there. So when you do put that downward pressure, it's not pressing against that canal wall quite as much.
Yeah, you can see the eardrum in the background.
Yeah.
There. Almost done.
Just rolling him Indiana Jones style down the ear canal there. Look at that. And flick him out into the ball. I might be able to pick it up. No, didn't even bother attempting. I'm just going to go straight with suction. There we go. Let's grab that way. A nice size piece, that one though. Not quite as big as yours though. Yours was chunky.
The last one we did?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, sorry. I just went blank then. I was thinking, which one? Yeah.
Got that going away though. Still nice big chunks. I think there's one more little piece in there. Yeah, there is, just around the corner.
Get the fine end in. Oh, that's the standard size.
That's the standard size, yeah. There we go.
Oh, there we are.
Much clearer now.
Much clearer.
Hearing much better there. Inches wise, just under 1.25 inches. I'm going to go with that one.
Yeah, I'd say just under 3 centimetres.
Yeah, pretty much there.
Yeah, nice.
So what day was this? Day 16?
16.
So we're day 17 tomorrow. So we shall see you again for tomorrow's video, guys. As always, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye.